This information that you're about to view has already been submitted to an office within the United States government. You're looking at a copy of a fake death certificate issued from the state of Ohio. This death certificate is registered to Elmer O. Jefferys, who allegedly died in Toledo, Ohio on May 11, 1964. Okay? His date of birth, May 3rd, 1917. Okay? This fake death certificate was filed May 15, 1964, and this is a death certificate issued right before my mother's. Okay? I'm going to show you what Ohio did in 1964 to my mother. Okay? Watch this. His date of death, May 11, 64. Watch this. When you run this man's name through the United States Social Security Death Index, they say Elmer Jefferys died in July 1964 with the same date of birth, May 3rd, 1917. Okay? They even give you a Social Security number. Okay? The next thing I want to focus on this fake death certificate is this man is a death certificate is checked that he was widowed. Okay? Widowed. His spouse had already passed by 64. Okay? And it says that there was no knowledge of his mother's maiden name, no knowledge of his father's name, and no knowledge of his usual occupation. Watch this. He's supposed to be widowed. I ran Elmer O. Jefferys' name through the Ohio County Marriage Records, and this is what I came up with. I have an Elmer Jefferys marrying a Clarice Howell on September 17, 1947 in Jefferson County, Ohio. The key to all of this is his father and mother's name. Albert Jefferys was his father, and Olive Miller is his mom's maiden name. Check out Ohio. They list his age as only being 24 in 1947. As embarrassing as it is, let's take a look at the actual marriage application. He was actually 29 years of age, okay, in 1947. And there it is, Clarice Howell married Elmer Jefferys. You see that? And the same date of birth for Elmer, May 3rd. See his father's name, Albert Jefferys. His mother, Olive M. Miller. And he was married once before. Okay? Let's focus on his wife. Why would the state of Ohio say that Clarice was already deceased by 64? Watch this. Her date of birth, the 25th of May. All right? Watch this. I ran Clarice information through the United States Social Security Application Claim Index, and there it is. Clarice Howell Jefferys. She didn't die until October 13, 1997. 33 years later. Ain't that something? That's according to the government records, okay? And the same date of birth, 25th of May. That's her. That's her. Watch what happens when you run that information through the Ohio records. Okay? They don't put Jefferys on there. They put Clarice Irene Howell. Same date of birth. Same date of death. Unbelievable. What are you hiding? You're going to tell me what happened to my mother. Where's her body at? Let's focus on the next thing right here. The informant is listed on Elmer Jefferys' death certificate as the military records. Okay, it's supposed to be the ones that gave this information up. Watch this. On the back, see right there. That's his date of birth, May 3rd, 1917. But the key is it's a serial number or a soldier number, 35232-464. Okay, watch this. That's him. 352-324-64. Okay? Same Social Security number, okay? See that? Year of birth, 1917. That's him. That's him. But he actually went into the military in 1943, okay? June 22nd, 1943. That ain't what his death certificate says. The month is wrong. He did not go in December. He did not go in on the 5th, and he did not go in 1945. The day, the month, and the years off. Okay? By 2 full years. You couldn't have got this information from the United States Army. So the state of Ohio has lied about everything, basically on this man's death certificate. Based upon this information, I believe that my mother's death investigation should be reopened. Okay? I need a great legal team to get this matter before in federal court. Okay, look how they lied on the federal government. Okay, state of Ohio. I thank God for showing me this information. I give him all the praise, and thank you for watching this video.